Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove black bars around video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and then as you can see, we have our black bars right here around our video. So to fix this is very simple. All you have to do is right click on your clip right here and click on scale the frame size. And then as you can see, it didn't work for me, but in some cases of your footages it will work for you. If not, then you can right click and then you can click on set a frame size, and then it has now worked for me with set the frame size right here. So you want to experiment with scale the frame size or set the frame size. And then if both of this doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you need to click on your clip, go into effect controls, and then you can go for scale. And then from here you can go and try scaling it just like this one right here by modifying its value. Or if that doesn't work, then you can uncheck the uniform scale, and then you can go and scale the width and height yourself right here. So you can go and scale that right here, or you can click on motion, and then from here you can just use this button right here. You can just use it just like that, and then from here you can scale it just like this and just like that there. And then we're gonna go and scale it like this, and there we have it. You can now just do it like this, but of course you have to do it more perfectly. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.